What's up, y'all? It's your girl Monae, and today I'll be doing a Canon G7X Mark II unboxing. So, the box that it comes in is this, okay? All it comes with is the camera. It doesn't come with a battery, it doesn't come with a charger, it doesn't come with anything except the camera, okay? And so, well, actually it comes with this little string too. So yes, this is the camera. When you cut it on, the little thingy comes out, the lens. This is where you connect the HDMI cord, like to your laptop, and like a charger or whatever. I really don't know what this is for. Oh, this is to connect it to the Wi-Fi. You see I have it connected to my iPhone. And so if you didn't know that it had Wi-Fi, it tells you on the little side. To make the little flash pop out, you click Canon. And yeah. So this top button is to zoom, okay? So let's go to a picture. So if I was to take a picture, I would be zooming in with this. Zoom out, you push it the other way. And so these are the modes. They have TV, PA, auto, SCN, video, manual, and custom. Yeah, I was about to say C, but y'all know. Or maybe you don't. Anywho, so it has, it says ring function, which you click it and it gives you like some settings. And this is the record button. These are also more settings. The little Q in the center, and this takes you to the gallery, and this takes you to the menu. So, at the very bottom is where you screw the little tripods in and all of the other stuff. I'm gonna show you like what this bundle that I got came with. But so, this is where you put the memory card and the battery, of course. So, I didn't even close it. So, my pumpkin actually bought me this bundle. And in this bundle, it came with a charger, okay? And I'm probably not going to use this, but a rechargeable battery from Vivitar. I believe that's how you pronounce it. It's Vivitar. And yeah, it came with this. My honey bun said it's to blow stuff off of the lens or the screen or something. I don't know. And we also have this, okay. It says high speed, secure digital, high capacity, micro secure, plug and play. Maybe this is what you've been needing for your camera or something. And yeah, I don't know what it is, but you probably need it. Or you might need it. Or it might be what you wanted. And I don't even know what it is. I don't know. And it came with cleaning kit, and in this cleaning kit it came with some screen cleaning fluid, some memory card holders, a lens and screen wiper, a marker or something. Let me see. What does this say? I don't know what this is for, but it's also by Vivitar. And when you push this little seeing down here? The little brush comes out. I don't know. And it also comes with cotton swabs and a screen protector. It also came with a, where did it go? Oh, here it is. It also came with a baby tripod, which I really wouldn't trust the life of my camera on. I mean, maybe. It looks sturdy, but I don't know. It's just a little small for me. And, oh, missing something important. It came with the a little bag to keep it in, like if you're about to go out and record, like if you want to move, vlogging, you know. It came with an HDMI cord, and I actually have it on the other tripod that it came with, but I'm gonna just pick up my old one. It's like this, but like it's like, it looks like scales or something, and it's taller, and it looks much more sturdy. Like this was $10. This one looks like it's like $40. I don't know. But it also came with something that I've been needing. For this big old tripod, okay? It's size 30, and you can see that the legs extend, you know. Oh, God. Be careful, don't do what I just did. I'm pinched myself. But so you see how long these legs is? Like, look at the legs on her. Oh my God. Talking about a stallion. This is the real stallion. So if I stand it up, it's like probably like a 1.5 foot shorter than me. So it's a pretty tall tripod. Why am I doing that? Let me close this back. But yes, it's very sturdy and strong. And I have so many ring lights I can just screw up on here, because I really don't need like a tall tripod unless I'm like taking pictures or something. But yes, this is an awesome tripod. It's actually heavy, you know, some workouts in with this one. But yes, it's very nice. Oh, what is this for? Look, y'all, look. Ain't that sweet? Ain't that sweet? What? Shit, how long it go up? Okay, go up to like right here. Okay. That is sweet, y'all. I have to see that. What is this? Oh. Okay. Y'all heard the snap? Hold up. Record. Just like that. Okay, you gotta get into the mood when you're about to record, okay? Set the tone. And this is the little bag that the tripod came in. And let me show you the, because it also came with a Canon battery and the memory card. So the memory card is 64 gigabytes, okay, which is a lot of storage. And this is the battery that it came with. So I may or may not insert the video that I did earlier, like comparing like the video quality to my phone that I'm on right now, we'll see. I might do a separate video for that because I kind of didn't like the one I just did because I literally just cut it on and started recording. I mean, if y'all want to see that, just comment below. I'll post it. No problems with me. And yes, that is it. If you want to see more unboxing videos, or if you want to see like me record a new video with this after like I learned the settings so I can teach you guys the settings, just comment below, let me know. But yes, that is it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like the video. And yes, I will see you guys next Friday. Well, actually not next Friday, but every other Friday. So not this Friday. Well, you will see. You will see me Friday after. Whatever. Not the Friday that's coming after this Friday, but the one after that. So you let me know also in the comments how to say it, because I obviously just don't know. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you later.